Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 BMW S1000XR. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 BMW S1000XR with 21,050 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with a V-Stream windscreen. Lightweight and stylish, the BMW S1000XR will fit your needs for speed and comfort. Powered by a 999cc transverse 4-cylinder, the S1000XR puts 165 horsepower and 83 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 5.2-gallon fuel capacity and roughly 220 miles of range. It has a 33.1-inch seat height and a wet weight of 502 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear is also at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips and scratches on the fuel tank, and scratches on the headlight bezel. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and one key. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.